Hey, my beautiful Vybz fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Of course, we're going to be making some popsicles. It is nice, it is hot outside. Let's do something for the children, even for ourselves. So, here I have a strawberry, and I'm going to be showing you two ways how I can get it nice and ready, right? So first I cut it out, and then next thing I pop it out. So first I cut out the stem, and then the next one I just pop it out and then use the knife to get rid of the inside part there, and then just bust it in two, and that is us. It is ready. Next we are going in for the peach. Ooh, peachy. So of course I'm using my carrot peeler, and I am peeling the peach, and then I'm gonna get down to the nitty-gritty. Now Vybz, if you can get frozen fruits, go ahead and get your frozen fruits, because this peach right here, it is work, right? Of course it is work, but once you actually like just peel it and then do this part, then I think that the hard part comes along when you need to break it off. It wasn't really that bad. The upside to doing all of this yourself is that you are sure there are no additives, no preservatives. It is all fresh and nice and ready for your children's belly, right? So yeah, go ahead and cut out the seed, cut out the stem part, the inside part right there, and then we're ready, right? Put it in the dish and move on to apricot. Hey, Mr. Apricot, by the way, you can use whatever fruit you want to use, right? Combine whatever fruit you want to combine. So of course, like if you want to use watermelon, if you want to use your strawberries, I mean, whatever you want to use. But yeah, just go ahead and take out that middle bits right there, cut that out, and then that is us. The apricot is all ready, and here they are looking all fresh and nice. So of course let's blend the strawberry first. So get all of them into my NutriBullet, and let's blend it, blend. So that is us all done. Now we are going to pour it out into our bowl that we had the strawberries in at first, because I mean, why not? It nice and ooh, look at creamy. It is nice and clean. Okay, so pour that out, set that aside, and let's jump to the next fruit, which is peaches. So pour it in the NutriBullet and then pop on the cover and blend. And just like that, we are done. So this, by the way, oh my goodness, the peach smell amazing. Oh, look at Lush. Come true, Luscious. Yes, Lushy body. So pour that out, set that aside. Then next we are gonna go to Mr. Apricot. Come true, Appy. And boom, we're done. So pour that into your nice little bowl. Look at that. Looks good, smell good, everything just so good. Apricot can be a bit sour, but yes, so just taste. When you're blending fruits, taste them. So that is strawberry, that is peachy, and this is apri, right, Mr. Apricot? And look at them, all beautiful. So here is my little silicone popsicle holder, right? Just soft and nice popsicle mold. So here I am going in. We're gonna start the layers first. I'm going in with my peach. So the peach is gonna be the top part, right? Because it is going in first. So peachy, and then next, what do you think I'm gonna go in with? Strawberries. Yes. So what I did, I bring the peach up halfway, right, into the mold, and then I added the strawberry. So now the next one, I'm going in with strawberry. So strawberry is gonna be at the top. So same thing, bring it up halfway. Then I'm going in with peachy, right? So do whatever, just mix and mingle as you want, right? So next I'm gonna go in first let's bam, right? Settle everything. Make sure it is nice and down there. Get rid of air bubbles and all of that. Next, we're going in with apricot. So that's the first layer. Then next is strawberry. Listen, Mr. Strawberry is in everybody's business. I mean, why not? It tastes So good. So here now I have some coconut milk. If you are not a coconut lover, you don't do this one. So I added a tablespoon of sugar, and the sugar is very important, right? Because, or you can use agave, honey, or stevia, right? We made a mess. Let's clean it up. So the sugar is important because it helps prevent the coconut milk from freezing rock solid. It keeps it smooth and creamy. So I added the coconut milk, and then of course I topped it off with strawberry. Beautiful. Top, top, top. Bang, bang, bang. Next I'm going in with, ooh, now this is gonna be a 3-color one. So first I added peach. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Then next I'm going in with the strawberry. Ooh, 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 ooh. One thing I wish for sure that I had more really bright red strawberries. And then I'm topping it off with the apricot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So that's a 3-color one. So just mix and mingle and do what you want to do. So of course, let's cover it. And then now the fun part, I'm gonna add the sticks. Ooh, ooh, ooh. By the way, I bought this on Amazon about a year ago. Right, so I have it for a long time. So it's put it in the freezer. Bam, it is frozen. This is the next day. And Vybz, do not push the sticks too far down, because remember, you need to leave enough stick out to hold it. So don't push it way down into the mold. So the good thing with using the silicone is that you can just pull it apart. You can wet the bottom of it if you want, to help you to get it out easier. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tell me that I can't open my own little ice cream store or popsicle store. So gorgeous. Oh my god. Yes, look at triple color. Come true, Trippy. Yes, yes, yes. And of course, you know me. You know I love me some coconut. So of course, oh, look, pan coconut. Yes, coconut strawberry. You look good. And Vybz fam, here we have it. Here we have this refreshing, absolutely amazingly delicious treat for the kiddos and for yourself, right? So first, of course, we have let's go down the line and look at them first. Look at them. Look. Just look at Lush. Just look at refreshing. Beautiful. Just so beautiful and so refreshing on a hot day. Look at my triple color, right? So that is apricot at the bottom, the middle of strawberry, and the top of the peach. Then you have the coconut strawberry. You have strawberry, what's that one? Strawberry peach, just all the beautifulness. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And how I store them, I put them in some Ziploc bag, and that is us. So yeah, Vybz, this is us. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me, are you gonna go ahead and make these for the kiddos or for yourself? Thank you so much. God bless you.